Oh my goodness, we are back with a Amazon home decor haul. I ordered a few things for our home. I feel like we're slowly putting things together, and I did a nice little order recently. Nothing too big, nothing too crazy, but I do want to show you guys what I ended up snagging, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing because I haven't opened everything yet, but I kind of want to do it with you guys, and we'll see how we like it. So let's get started. All right, first I think I'm gonna start with this throw blanket. This is from Creative Co-op. This is their cotton slub printed throw blanket, and online it actually looked insanely cute. I was looking for a really cute throw blanket for our upstairs loft area that we kind of have set up for like our kids and like where we spend a lot of family time. So I've been on the hunt for a really cute throw blanket to kind of complement everything else we have going on in the space. But I will say, seeing this up close, the print actually kind of threw me off. This is what it looks like. It has like little like houses and like horses with like trees on it. I actually don't quite know how I feel about it, but we'll style it and give it a nice little look. I really like the fringe. There's a ton of little flyaways with this, but I like how the fringe, and I like the little vintage look it had. I just don't know if I like love the print up close, but we'll style it and we'll kind of see how it looks on my sofa. I wanted to get some new throw pillow covers from Amazon. I have some throw pillows that I just am a little over the print. It doesn't make sense for our new living room space upstairs. So I wanted to order some new ones. These are by Fired Ivory, and it comes in just in like a little slick package with a little thank you card like this. But this is the color. It's in the color kind of a rust cinnamon brown, and on the edges it has a little fringe like this. Our rug upstairs has this color in it, and I thought it would just be a really nice way to kind of make it feel a little bit warmer and kind of bring more color to the sofa. So I got these in the size 20 by 20. This is how they look. Each throw pillow cover was $17.95. I did get them on sale when I ordered them. Usually they're $29.99. They do come in a handful of different colors and different sizes, which is great, but I was really kind of loving this fall rust cinnamon brown color. I think it's gonna work really well for our new living room upstairs. So I ended up picking up 2 of these pillowcase covers, and I think they're gonna work out great. I picked up another throw pillow cover because I have these lumbar pillows that I got from Target. They were super affordable, but again, I just don't love the pattern for our new living room, and I want to be able to still use my throw pillows and not get rid of them, so I'm just gonna find a really good cover for them. I came across this one. This is also from the store Creative Co-op, and what comes in this, oh, it also comes with the insert and the pillowcase. So this is what it looks like. I will say online the image looks a lot darker than how it is looking in person, but this is a traditional decorative woven cotton blend pillowcase cover. They have these cute little tassels that are on the edge. I will say I'm a little disappointed because I was thinking this was gonna be a lot warmer, and it's not. So I actually think this is gonna be a return. I'm super bummed. I was hoping for more of like a grayish, kind of like dark chocolate color, and this is just too light. So unfortunately, I think this is gonna be a return. Online it looks cute, but it's just not what I was expecting. So this one, unfortunately, is not gonna work out. We are gonna return. You guys know I absolutely love candles, and I've kind of been on a candle hunt lately because recently I've been getting headaches a lot when I burn my candles. And so I don't know if, I think it obviously is stemming from what the candle is made of. So I've been trying to find more like natural soy candles and to see if that will help when burning things in my home. But I love candles, and I just think they add such a beautiful aroma to your space. So I found this one on Amazon. It comes in a cute little box like this. It's called this is a scented candle, a natural soy wax. This candle is by Maria Scents, but it comes in a really cute box package with a nice little bow. Great for gift giving as well. But this one is $14.99. So it comes packaged like this. So this is in the scent Citrus Amber. I love the smell of amber. I think it smells so good. It's kind of a bust. I really don't like that. No. Dang, that's a bummer. It's a natural soy candle. It's hand poured. It comes in a beautiful vase just like this, but it was $14.99. It comes in 3 different scents as well, but unfortunately, I just don't love the way I thought it would smell. It smells like the opium perfume. I don't know if any of you guys wear that, no offense, but it kind of reminds me of that perfume and I'm not a fan of it. So unfortunately this is gonna be a return as well. I wanted to order some new floral stems for my entryway. I really like having faux stems in my entry. It's like one less plant I have to think about watering. So I ordered these ones off of Amazon. These are the artificial plant leaves. They come in a bunch. They are a faux greenery stem. They are a silk spray, and they were $20 a piece. They do come in like this vacuumed sealed package like this. So I'm just gonna slice this open. Oh my, those smell. These are what the stems are looking like. They are very long, more vibrant than I thought they were going to be. They look a little bit darker online, but I think with 4 bunches of them, I think once you kind of straighten all of these out and put them in a vase, I think that they could actually look really nice. So for fun, we're gonna go style these in my entryway and we'll see how we like them. All right, I ordered another bunch of faux greenery plants, and these ones looked a little bit more promising. These are $19.99, and I love the kind of wispy spray of them. These ones have long stems, which I always try to buy when I'm shopping for faux greenery, but this is how they look. They come in a pack of 3, and I like that they have a lot of individual stems on each one, so you can really get a really full spray. They are a little vibrant, which I don't mind, but I really like how these look. They look kind of really wispy. These would look really great in a smaller vase, so for fun, we're gonna go style these on my dining room table and we'll see how they look. The last item I want to show you guys is a piece of artwork that I ordered from Decor. They have a bunch of different landscapes on Amazon that are really well done in my opinion. This was $65 and it's a 24 by 36. I really love the dark, moody horizon landscape. So I thought this was look really nice and kind of complement my fireplace area. I'm not sure if this is where it's going to stay in my home, but for now I just want to show you guys and give you guys a good angle of how it looks. I do love the dark tones behind it. I think it helps it really pop. But I thought this was a really great find and I'm super happy with this purchase. But thank you guys for hanging out with me on this Amazon home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, I will see you guys later.